Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can earn money on Skool, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into my account, and I'm basically on the main page, and as you'll see, I can go ahead and create my own Skool community, which I will be doing. The main way that you're going to be earning money on Skool is by charging a subscription to your community. So let's get right into it, and as you can see, I do have a free subscription over here, or a free trial, which you can use as well, but it is $99 per month, and I'm not going to go ahead and add other information. I'm going to add my credit card information on screen at least. So as you can see, let's say that this is the community that I've created, and as you can see, it is very bare bones. It doesn't really have anything. I just created it, and that's it. Once you create your own group or community, what you can do is then go ahead and click on settings. Here you can check your payouts. However, as you can see, I have $0 balance at the moment because I do not have any subscribers. But to set up a subscription model, you need to go into pricing, and from here you need to go ahead and click add a price. You can select if you want to give members a 7-day free trial, which I do recommend you do, since people will then try it out, and if they like it, they might subscribe, and then you can add a price. Now, as you can see, it uses Stripe to send payouts to your bank account, so you do need to connect it. But once you do, and I don't have a Stripe account, so I can't really connect it, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't work in my country either, so it is what it is. But once you connect it, you'll then be able to set a price for your subscription. You can set it from, I don't know, $9.99, $15 a month, $5 a month. It really doesn't matter. It depends on explicitly your wishes and your wishes only. So once you add that, then when you invite people to join your community and they pay, you will then be able to get money once they pay, and that will be processed through Stripe into your payouts, and your payouts will be available to you in every couple of days. And that is basically it. You can also invite people to your community. You can import them through CSV files or Zapier, or you can just invite them through email address and send them an invite, and these methods will grant instant access without purchasing or requesting membership. So that is pretty much all there is to it. Once you set everything up, you'll be earning money through Skool, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.